How long do I think this bear market will last? That's the first question, guys. How long do you think this bear market will last? Are you guys actually accepting that it's a bear market? How you guys doing? Junk? Aye, sup guys, sup. What's up? BitConnect! Maybe not BitConnect, but you know, Bitcoin! Yeah, we're gonna see how far it's gonna go now. Tell us fast. Hope for 3 years. Roll coaster. And baby, everybody put your hands in the air. How you guys doing? Are you enjoying the show? Are you enjoying the dump, guys? Are you enjoying the dump? Waiting for my paycheck. It's a bull market. Yeah, this looks definitely like a bull market, man. Huge binary orders at 31k. 31.2. Yeah, maybe. Let's look at the volume. Volume is kind of picking up, not quite there yet. I mean, this was a big volume. The break actually over here went something like over here, so you know, there is some volume definitely going on. Never a dull day in Greek crypto. Yeah, there was actually a very dull days over here. It was doing nothing. Where's my... Yeah. Will we bounce to the upside now? Yeah, it kind of depends on what's gonna happen. By the way, who am I competing with on the live right now? Who is live right now? Jordan Cameron is live. Benjamin Cohen is live. Is somebody else live? Let's see. Nah. Bitcoin live. Who's live? Who am I competing with right now? Crypto Jargon, Razis Crypto, Jordan Cameron, Crypto Savvy. He's not live. Targeted, yeah. Doesn't matter. Me, DJ Rider 1. MM Crypto going live. Is MM Crypto live now? Damn, he's gonna steal all my viewers. So let's go down to the 5-minute chart and see what's actually happening here. We got some kind of pullback towards the upside. Let's see here. Some kind of pullback, but you know, the 5-minute chart, it was, you know, it was going up here and then here it went sideways until it hit 200 moving average and then it continued going down. So I'm more interested in a 1-hourly chart and 4-hourly chart for this dump. Right now it looks like it's following the 1-hourly. So right now it might actually find some kind of sporty. You know, there was a big support that we broke just now. That's this one over here at 32,259. That was a big support for me. Then we have also down here at 29,249. So we're gonna see how that's gonna work out. Let's see here. So if you know, if this holds like this is daily, but you know, I'm seeing that we might actually go all the way down to something like 29,249, something like that. If Bitcoin recovers within such a bearish trend, low volume under the EMAs, it will take some time to recover. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to recover either way. Too much background noise. Too much background noise, man. Maybe something like this. Now you cannot even hear it. Oh, sorry. Guys, there is this button over here. I don't know if you can see it, but when I press the button, what's happening on the screen, guys? What's happening on the screen? If I press this button over here, do you see ad? If I press this button over here, nothing. Because there is a button, it says put in ad. If I press it, it says ad is put in. So I don't know quite actually what's happening over there. Nope, nothing on screen. Okay, nothing's happening, no. Your beard disappears. No. Okay, maybe it's like you can put in ads in the video wherever you want to, and then when people are re-watching it, they get ads. Maybe something like that. Make your picture small so we can see. Oh, sorry about that. Make my face smaller, chart larger. Sorry about that. Yeah, who wants to see me? Let's see over here what's happening. Yeah, but right now I'm looking at this 29 target because I think this, unless we actually manage to crawl back above here, above 32,000, you know, this is gonna be broken on the daily chart. So I'm looking for the daily close and how daily is gonna work out. Spam that button. Yeah, I can't cook, let alone understand tech here. You know, Ethereum is down 9.2%, guys. Ethereum is down 9.2%. By the way, there is you know, check it out, guys. Check it out. Let's remove it. That was from earlier show. So Ethereum is also, you know, breaking on the downside. So basically, this is actually the break point, something like this over here, where we actually broke down, give or take. And then you had this line down here. And once we broke, well, technically we broke actually above that, all over up here, and then we had a rising wedge that we actually went down. So where are the Ethereum's supports lines, guys? Where is this Ethereum support? Ethereum got nice support on 200 moving average here at 21.94. I would say that, you know, it's really nice. And then you know, all the way down here at previous low at 20.79. And after that, like, we gotta look for something like this over here, I think. 1933. I think those are the three supports that should be actually watched right now on Ethereum. 1933, 2073, 2194. So we're gonna see what's actually gonna happen over here. Yeah, previously up there. So we are right now. So technically. Well, technically we are out of the, maybe we're not, maybe we are still holding this some kind of you know, there is still hopium for this, there is still hopium, you know, depends on how you draw it. It's hard, man, it's hard. These triangles are hard. I blame Carl from the moon. Why do you blame him, man? He did nothing wrong. Top gainers are stable coins, guys. Love the Patreon and crash course, keep up the good work. Ah, thanks, man. Hey, I appreciate that, thank you. BTC is going to 1. What price do you think ADA will go down to? I would like to buy more ADA. I have noticed from history that after breaking weekly 21 moving average, BTC went to consolidation for 2 months. Same picture with 10 moving average on monthly time frame. May it happen in the near future. From history, blaming 21 moving average. Yeah. 21 moving average over here. We can use these ones. Two months. Is this 2 months? January? No, you know, it broke. But this is oh, weekly 20 moving average. So this isn't 2 months. Yeah, it's almost 2 months. This is definitely 2 months. Something like this, 2 months. This is more than 2 months. And you know, here it's more than 2 months. It's 2 months. Yeah. So give and take. Yeah, you can expect 2 months. Right now it's been only like 4 weeks. So you know, maybe like 4 more weeks. 4 more weeks, and then, you know, we hit back towards it, you know, give or take. Yes, and Matic too. Matic, what's up with Matic? Matic is down 10%, so, you know, it's still looking good. Above all moving averages as well on the weekly. It's doing great on the weekly. On the daily, it fell down to the 50 moving average right over here. You know, you know, 50 moving average on the daily, it is some kind of support. It all depends how far down Bitcoin is gonna go. Let's see on the here. Let's remove everything, and we got support down, pretty decent support at 10.07, give or take. And then we got support also at 50 moving average, right? So these are the two that are most obvious. I don't think there is any much beside that. I think definitely we are gonna go down to 123 because there is nothing else. Like, there is nothing else over here. Yeah, I think we're gonna go definitely down to 123, but if we break that, we can go all the way down to 107. So we're gonna see how that's. Bear market confirmed. You know, there is no confirmation. We don't deal. Maybe not. Hey, please chill down. Is the beer from the last bear market? No, beer is actually from the pandemic. You know, when pandemic started and I had to be too much at home, I just stopped shaving, and then I was like, yeah, when it finished, I'm gonna remove it. But then, you know, it never stopped. Tila, where can we check real live volume? Real live volume, I have no clue, man. Here's the real live volume. Isn't this live volume? I thought this was live volume. I don't actually do that much volume, you know, but you know, it's some kind of volume. See here, it pumped. The volume went up on dump. With the extreme reactions to every comment someone puts on Twitter, the TA is worth nothing. Actually, the TA is actually just pricing in the comments already. This is just for Binance. Yeah, it's just for Binance. I don't know if you can see actually total volume. Maybe there is some site. Maybe on CoinMarketCap they are aggregating the volume. I'm not quite sure. Since you are on Binance chart, yeah, this is Binance volume. But I don't know. This is Matic though. This is Matic. This is Binance. This is Bitfinex. You know. So maybe on CoinMarketCap. People are really dumb to hate on TA. You cannot love TA in the start because you don't understand it, but once you understand, you know, you gotta love it. BitBoy told me to buy at 65k, so I lost all my money. Don't blame the BitBoy, man. Don't blame the BitBoy. And you haven't lost all your money, you lost like 30%. Or 40% or 50%. How much did you lose? 65k, that's over here. You lost something like 52%. So not all the money, not all the money. Bitcoin is enemy of the crypto market. Without Bitcoin, there will be no adoption, man. If you ask anybody about crypto and stuff like that, like they all are saying, you know, Bitcoin. Nobody is saying like Matic and Polygon and Cardano. You know, everybody knows Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the train that's pulling everything with it. Better than getting scammed, you lost yourself. Come on, Bitcoin, keep dropping. Yeah, how far are we gonna drop, guys? How far do you guys think we're gonna go? I think like 32k is actually technically broken. We're gonna see if we close below this number or not. But I'm thinking like we can go all the way down to 29,250. TLA, what else are you thinking to pick up in this dip? Not many else though. If I'm gonna pick up anything, it's gonna be Ethereum. Ethereum, Cardano, some of these big ones, you know. Thrill doesn't matter. Unless it's Matic coin if BTC predicts its price. Useless investing in coins if BTC predicts price. No, it's not, man. BTC just predicts direction. How much coins pump, that's a whole other thing. 27, 28, 28.6, 28, 28. So a lot of people think in 28 then. 23. BitBoy said we'll never see BTC below 47. Yeah, I'm addicted to cryptocurrency and only YouTube videos on it. Welcome to the crypto. Yeah, that's how these things goes. 28k then breaks out to 75k. That would be nice. I'm looking at 29k because technically we are so close there. It's like how much is down? How much is it down? It's only like 7% more down. You know, you can do that in a day to get down to 29k. There's 7-8%. It's down. No alt is tied to Bitcoin, everything is tied to Ethereum. Technically, yeah. Actually, is it possible that the price of BTC down and some altcoins, ETH for example, become the next Bitcoin at the next bull? It is possible, everything is possible. I think, yeah. Even the dip, I'm still 3x on the money I invested. Then you invested pretty early, Anand. VeChain adopted by China and used by them. A wet will moon. I don't know, isn't, you know, I think China is only right now trying to promote its own digital currency and crack down on everything else. But it's understandable though, it's understandable. TLA, look for the Elliott impulsive wave from the top to 64k. We are now going for 5th waiver. I'm not that good on Elliott waves, man. I'm not that very good at Elliott waves, so you know, yeah. Chinese SOEs, I'm not quite sure what it is, still are not legally allowed to work with companies that have crypto. Yeah, that might be a blocker for it. So many noobs, we need more corrections. Yeah, this looks like a pretty decent correction. I think just chill and enjoy the ride. I still have PTSD from the March 2020. Believe me, it's not worth it. We'll be back at all time before you know it. Yeah, maybe. Where do you see BTC in 5 to 10 years? Now it's not going exponentially. It is going into 100k, I think. It's going to 100k, but I don't know how much higher than that it can go, because you know, you guys seen the charts. You've seen the charts, and you know, it's no longer it's not a parabolic move like this, something like that. Like in start it was parabolic move, and then you know you got these parabolic moves, but you know it's curving. It's curving, so maybe some kind of top should be something around like over here. I know people are saying 1 million or something like that. Maybe it is, you know, but you know, but it is curving. So you know, but I'm seeing it definitely above 60k. But you know, you won't be getting these gains or these gains over here. You can see even here, like it was the gains were terrible compared to previous pumps. The halving should clear 100k, right? Yeah, I think so. Maybe. But it's long time to that. Based on how fast it is dipping, I say we make moves in the summer. I don't buy this sideways for months. Yeah, it's kind of tricky to know actually what's gonna happen. You know, people are assuming it may only dip a little bit over here, right? They're assuming it might actually just dip a little bit and then, you know, go higher and higher from over there. So we're gonna see. Tech analysis on XDC. I don't know what XDC is. Speaking of experience based on how BTC move either through time or space. Long time is the best time in crypto. Long time, yeah. TLA, 20 or 28k. I think 28k. Actually 29. I think 29k. I don't have faith in that this dip will go all the way down to 20. I mean, it can happen. I can never say never. Like, you know. I'm placing my bets on 29k. I'm placing my bets on 29k. So we're gonna see actually what happens when we get there, if we get there. How is that gonna work out? Let's look at more at Ethereum. Ethereum looks interesting. Now there is did we manage to get it? I think this is soon is gonna come to some kind of bottom. Maybe it's already hit the bottom. Yeah, there is divergence on the 5-minute chart, guys, on the Ethereum 1 hourly. No, there is no divergence on the 1 hourly. 30 minutes, yeah, there is divergence on the 30 minutes right now. So this might actually be some kind of local bottom, and you know, it might actually bounce all the way back to the 20 moving average. So you know, BTC, it's also something. Does BTC have 30 minutes divergence? Yeah, BTC also has a 30-minute divergence. No, this is 1 hourly divergence. But it's no, yeah, but it's not confirmed. 30 minutes probably there. Yeah, 30 minutes is definitely there. So we got a 30 minutes divergence. So unless it drops really hard over here, it might actually just have a chance to bounce a little bit. Jamie Dimon warned about crypto recently, means he will buy, but not at 30k and not at 20k, but lower. Jamie Dimon, isn't that JP Morgan guy? I remember what JP Morgan said when we were dropping from the 20k down to 4k. They were calling for 1,700. Did we hit 1,700? No. So JP Morgan knows everything? No, he doesn't. Too many MAs. What are the settings? 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. TLA, Matic seems to always recover fastest after a drop. Think it will happen this time? I don't know. I think there was some kind of FUD on Matic recently. Wasn't it that Ethereum is gonna make it difficult for Matic or something like that? I think I heard something about that, but you know, I'm not in those waters. I'm looking actually for 123 on Matic or 107, but at 123 at least. That's the 50 moving average. So we're gonna see how that actually works out. But it's been dropping now for 3, 4, 5 days straight. Good time to invest in ADA and Matic. I won't say now. I won't say now it's good time to invest in anything because everything is following Bitcoin on the way down. We just fell through the. We just fell out of the triangle over here, guys. So you know we gotta find some kind of bottom before you start investing. You know, you can buy any kind of dip until the bottom, you know, and then average cost those four into some kind of a, some kind of a number, and then go up. But this doesn't seem to be any kind of bottom, you know, right now. What's your buying support for it? No, I'm just looking at Bitcoin and how far it's gonna go down, and then I'm gonna check out what I'm gonna do with it. Because you know, although I was bullish and I'm seeing some big rally to the upside for Bitcoin, this was a triangle in a down path, so you know the bigger probability is to downside. Although I would like it like go over here and break to the upside over here, it never did that. It broke on the downside, you know. So you know, I'm just still waiting. I'm waiting for actually some kind of lower. I'm waiting for the 20. I was hoping that 38 might hold, 32 might hold, but it doesn't look like it's holding. So maybe 29 will hold. If 29 will hold, then probably Ethereum will find some kind of support somewhere. You know, Ethereum has a really nice support here at 2069 and down here at 1933, and you also have the moving averages, of course. The 20 moving average. So one of these three is gonna get hit. It will find some kind of bottom there. Fortunately, maybe Bitcoin will find some kind of bottom as well, and then it will turn and then it will pump. So you know, not quite sure where that number will be. Hard to say. El Salvador are about to get its entire economy sorted for cheap. Yeah, I'm really interested in how that's gonna work out. This is textbook Wyckoff accumulation phase C down to 28k, then spring, nothing else. I hope you're right, man. I hope you're right. What's your predictions on the bottom? 29k or something like that, give or take. If we break the 29k, it's really hard to argue for anything else. You gotta start seeing these 19k numbers, you know. If we fall through this, like, I think we might actually go all the way down to like some kind of 90,000, and I don't want to see that yet, you know. That's why people are saying 20k and stuff like that. But I think one of these are gonna hold. So if we drop down now, I think 29 might actually hold. Yeah, there is also 21k here on the monthly. Yeah, but beside that, it's really weak. It's really weak. Let's see over here. Yeah, it's really weak. So if we fall through 29,000 support, like there is very little between the here and down here, very little, and that's gonna be a big drop, I think. Yeah, that's like 30% drop or something like that. I think that might actually be capitulation. I think capitulation is gonna be below 20k. We're gonna see. We can always find the bottom at 0. What's your opinion on altcoins when BTC drops to lower lows? They're gonna drop to lower lows. What about BTT? Yeah, what about BTT? I haven't checked in a while. You know, BTT has support on 200 moving average on the daily though. That's a good thing. But BTT never managed to get back above the 20 moving average on the weekly chart. It just went below it, and right now it's falling to the downside. Yeah. So if it doesn't get support on the blue line here on the 200 moving average, then we might fall all the way down to some we might fall all the way down here at 0.0018, something like that. So that's a pretty big drop, I think. Yeah, 30% there as well. But I think this 200 moving average might actually give it some kind of support. So you're gonna see that, you know, you always hope for the best, but you gotta know where the supports are. There are also some kind of supports over here, you know, give or take. That's broken. So we got some kind of supports right below us over here at 30 and 27. But if we break that, I will be looking at some kind of 18 or 17. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. What day that cross will come? I don't know if there is an exact date for it, you know, but you know, you can just draw the line, give or take, something like this. Since you're dropping, it's gonna go a little faster. So maybe 16 June, so in a week, less than a week. So I think right now that we are having the move, while we were still in the triangle, right? While we were still in the triangle, I had hopes that this wouldn't happen, because if we had managed to break up of the triangle and continue high up, then we would have maybe got some kind of avoidance of the death cross, right? Unfortunately, we went down, and this is gonna take a while to correct, right? So I think this cross is inevitable, and it will come in a week's time, so like 15th June or something like that, give or take. And the problem with that cross is it's the psychological problem, because all of these you know, big investors, you know, that are actually don't know that much about tech analysis, but do know these small things like the death cross and the gold cross and stuff like that, they'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna wait. Do you think buy orders at 28k will initiate a pump? Maybe. Depends on if there is a lot of buy orders. People will panic sell when it drops below 30k. I think that's the plan for these guys. I think that's the plan. I think the plan is to get everybody to panic sell and capitulate, and you know, after that we can go into a new accumulation phase and stuff like that. And hope will rise fast once we hit 28k. Yeah, it's a possibility. It's a possibility. What's happening with... is there anything that's in green right now, guys? T-Fuel. T-Fuel is in green. I don't know what it is. This is Theta Fuel. So Theta Fuel is up 17% right now. It really doesn't care. This is Theta Fuel. I don't know what Theta Fuel is, but it's just going up. This is daily chart. You know, if people are saying like everything is correlated with Bitcoin, not everything. Like there are coins that are not correlated with Bitcoin, and they are performing well for whatever reason, you know. And Theta Fuel right now up like 16% today. I don't know what this is, guys. I don't know what it is. You know, fundamentals, no clue, but it is like performing. 3 weeks in a row going up. Like it's up in last 3 weeks. It's up 115%. This week, last week it just broke the all-time high over here and it's continuing going up. So this looks bullish to me. Yeah, but tomorrow is probably gonna, if you buy the 20% candle, tomorrow is gonna definitely be a dump just to get you out again. Economics of geopolitics. These noobs don't even know what a capitulation bottom is. Yeah, meme hands. Sol is pumping. Is Sol pumping? Dude, Sol is minus 4% today. Yeah, it is getting a slow pump to the upside. Let's see 5 minutes how it looks. No, it just went up to the 200 moving average on the 5 minute. So, but yeah, it did find some kind of a bottom right now and pumped. It did pump a lot as well, actually. Yeah, 10%. Okay. Nothing to stress about. No fear, no gain. Nice info. I'm about around the same balances as when we were at all-time high. T-Fuel is a token made for streamers. A lot of the same people that buy meme coins are aware of it. Oh, okay, so it's just like a meme coin then. Uninstall, install back again after 10 years. Chill, we'll still get our Lambo next. One moon, I don't know. Don't you guys feel like the news plus tech analysis always works so nicely? I find it varies manipulated somewhere or another. I just think that you know, technical analysis is already pricing in all the news that might come or might not come, because it's tech analysis is basically just like mass psychology, chart of the mass psychology. So whatever people are thinking, it's probably inside the chart somewhere. It's got good utility, to be honest, just some audience. But yeah, beside the T-Fuel, we also got something Wabi USD. I don't know what Wabi is, or Teal. Let me see if it's performing. Nah, it's dropping. This isn't actually doing anything. But everything else is red on my chart. Everything else is red on my chart. Let me see if I got something else. BTC. No, yeah, I do. DOS USD. I don't know what DOS is, but you know, it's still down. It's up 1.45% today. And we got something VET-D. I don't know what this is. It's probably some crap. Yeah, no, everything is red. Everything is red on my chart. Why there is no buy volume at all? There is some kind of volume. Yeah, it is. It is not that big. You know, this is a big candle, big red candle. You know, big red, because all of these buys are selling right now, but. That was a big volume candle. Let's see how it looked on the previous bull market. You can see here the volume was slowly, this is Bitfinex though, but it was slowly going down, right? And now entire bull run, the volume, but this is Bitfinex, you know you cannot take let's see on Binance how this actually worked out, the volume of Binance. Yeah, this seems more correct. But the volume never actually like got that much down. Here was a big volume on the dump, right? I don't know if you could see that. And then, you know, the top over here got up volume, and then volume went down with the price. Corona dump, that's a big volume. Then on the move to the upside over here, we got the upside volume, you can see here. If I can just, there was upside one, but volume stopped over here. So you can see over here already there is some kind of indication that we are hitting some kind of top over here. Because you can see here the price is going up, right? The price is going up, but the volume is going down. That's a bad sign. And I can show you on Dogecoin as well, the same thing happened. Dogecoin USD. On the daily chart, I'll show you on the daily chart. It's really interesting. You can see here when Dogecoin pumped over here, right? It went a little bit down with the volume, and then it went up, but volume continued going up, right? It's deflating. I think over here. Yeah, so you don't want a volume to be going down while you're going up. You can see that happen over here though. Weekly chart. So you can see here the volume was going up over here, right? While here the volume was going down beside this one drop over here. And then this was actually a really bad candle because there was a lot of volume, and this is the 50% down drop, right? So if you have one of those, again, something like this over here down to 20,000, something like this, that's gonna be insane. But right now the price is going down and the volume is going down as well. If you project a potential BTC bottom around 28k, what would you expect for XRP bottom? Yeah, we can check XRP, see what's actually happening with the XRP. Let's see. Let's just remove everything. See monthly. 0.45 maybe. That's 4 months. Sorry. Monthly. Well, it still got support up here at 66. That's a good support. And then you got the 20 and 50 support down here at 42 right now. You got the 10 MA support at it's 63. So give or take, those are just the MA supports on the monthly chart. But right now the closest support is the previous dump right over here at 79. That's the closest one right now. Right now we are breaking both the 20 moving average and getting close to this 79 dump. If you break that, maybe these targets down here, you know, some of these targets down here between 59 and 66, like, give or take. It's hard to decide which actually support is gonna hold or how far it's gonna get, but you know, if it starts falling below the previous low, you know, somewhere around here you gotta look for some kind of a support in there. It's amazing how slight movements of BTC reflects on us. Yeah. What did Elon tweet now? Actually nothing. I think he stopped tweeting. I love TA. Half right or half wrong. You know, that thing is just like people don't understand how TA works, because people always assume that technical analysis must mean, you know, either you know technical analysis, you know it's gonna go up, or you don't know technical analysis and it's 50-50. Technical analysis is all about like bullishness versus bearishness. There's always probability to go up and down. We just see where the probability is lying. Right, we don't know actually which supports are gonna hold or which supports are not gonna hold, so we are looking for the breakout on the supports and the resistance, see like if the price is bullish or bearish, but nobody knows actually where we're gonna go up and down. That's why we are using risk management. That's why we are looking at some kind of bottoms. That's why looking at changes in the charts and stuff like that. But 50-50, it's not 50-50, you know, sometimes it's 70-30, other times like 40-60, sometimes it's 90-10, you know, but it's never like 100% in this direction to this exact target and then we're gonna change. Whoever says stuff like that, like, you know, you can't take them seriously. Can you explain what divergence means, please, for the reversal? Yeah, divergence. You know, it's divergence. You know, divergence means that the price is actually not doing what the RSI is doing, and it needs to correct a little bit. Statistically, there is a pump after a dead cross. If statistically that's the case, then I like that. Let's see if statistically if that's the case. This is weekly, this is daily. So that cross, this is a dead cross, and this is a dead cross, and this is a dead cross, and are we gonna go longer breaking time? Okay, you can start over here somewhere. Okay, you can start here in 2013. So that cross came here, and then right after the dead cross, right after the dead cross we pumped hard. Okay, and then we got the bullish cross, and then there is the dead cross right over here, but there was more dumpage. Okay, so this dead cross did not work, this worked. Okay, so we're gonna write one over here, and then we had a dead cross over here again. So right after he pumped, so yeah, we can say that this worked. And then there was no dead cross on the end of the bull market. And then we got this dead cross over here. And technically, yeah, like it took a while, yeah, but sure, we pumped over here. That's bullish cross, and right now over here was a dead cross again. And after this dead cross, you know, we were down, and then we yeah, are we gonna say that this is you know, after the dead cross, is it this part over here, or are we pumping on the dead cross itself? Yeah, we can say that we are pumping on the dead cross, so sure, why not? And then we had another dead cross over there, but even after that we pumped, so you know, good. And how many more dead crosses we have? No. So what we can assume by that, let's hope that once we get the dead cross here in a week's time over here, something like this over here, then we're gonna pump all over there. Okay, guys. So that's the plan, pumping after the dead cross. Maybe. Oh, is this a little bounce we're getting now? Hit the like button, people. Yeah. Ethereum Classic. What's with Ethereum Classic, by the way? Minus 7%, dropping down. Went out of the triangle. Not a good thing though. If I can just down here, 53. Here's a little hopium fake out. Yeah, maybe. The best case scenario is like we go down and then we just jump back up again. Maybe some kind of spring that people are talking about. ETC, love my love, but fell so hard as usual. Don't fall in love with coins, man. What do you think about holochain though? Same thing as everything else, unfortunately. But let me see what holochain is actually doing right now. It's almost sitting on a 200 moving average, almost. But it's getting pushed by the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily and the 4 hourly. Yeah, it's just getting pushed down. So we're gonna see. One of these supports should hold, but you know, this is bearish because when it went down over here, right, and it started going back up, it just doesn't have enough bullishness to get above the 20 moving average for 1 week, 2 weeks, and the third week is falling down again. Right, there just isn't enough bullishness. So I'm seeing actually it's gonna go below this and go some of these levels at 41 or 37. How long have you been live streaming? 45 minutes. Okay, that's it, guys. I gotta go. You know, kids need to go to bed and stuff like that. Thanks for joining me. This is just a short stream, just to see, just see what's actually happening with Bitcoin. And right now, Bitcoin is pulling a little bit back towards the upside again. You can see here it's pulling a little bit back. So you know, if it will get above this 32 to 59 level or not, it kind of depends. But it is getting some kind of pump, you know, some kind of bounce to the upside. So we're gonna see how long it can actually get. Just keep in mind that my targets are actually right now 32 here, and I'm hoping that can stabilize above this level up here again. If not, then down to 29,000 or something like that. You know, and you know, if we can manage to stabilize about 32,000, then maybe in some alternative reality we go all the way up to 35,000 real soon. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button on the way out. Check the links down below for the Patreon tech analysis crash course if you want to learn tech analysis. Also, there is a Binance link and TradingView link if you need some extra money or something like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you around later. You know, and if there is something big happening, I'm gonna start emergency live stream, just so you know. Anyways, guys, cheers. Bye bye. Where's the stop button?